Building a chimney out the side. The chimney will exit 2/3 up the wall, centered on the intersection of two lattice members. Locating the chimney too low will interfere with stove draw, but locating it too high will interfere with the roof flap. Typically, you want your chimney hole to be centered at the bottom of the top diamond. Cut away two 12-inch pieces of wood, centered on a twine rivet in the shape of an X. Cut a 12-inch diameter circle here through all 3 layers of the wall fabric. On the outside, dig 2 holes for the two 16-foot 4x4 pressure-treated posts. Center the holes side by side, 14 inches apart on center and 18 inches on center from the edge of the yurt. The holes should be 3 feet deep and as narrow as possible. Using a post hole digger works best. With the two 4x4s laying on the ground, join them 14 inches apart on center, using temporary bracing facing to the outside. Raise the posts into the holes, plumb in all directions. Backfill with crushed stone if possible, especially at the bottom of the holes. Tamp the backfill at the bottom especially well, and every 6 inches as you go up. Open the metal asbestos boxes. Learn the names for the parts as you go. Recycle the cardboard. Remove the locking rings from inside all the female ends. Pull the plug out of the T. Screw the wall band to the 20-inch piece of pressure-treated 2x4 with 2 legs from the wall support kit. Assemble the two 4-foot sections of pipe.
What is this galvanized sheet for here?
And attach the wall band loosely halfway up the upper segment. Secure the rain cap on the top. Being careful, parts of the rain cap are quite sharp. Attach the locking rings and set the entire assembly to the side, being careful not to rest on the fragile rain cap. After reading the enclosed instructions, assemble the wall support kit. Screw the wall support kit to the 2 pieces of 16-inch pressure-treated 2x4 with 4 legs from the kit. Send someone inside with the 2-foot length of pipe. Have them stick it out through the hole in the wall, male end first. Have them hold it out horizontally, level, centered in the opening, and radial, sticking straight out. Have one person holding the T in mock-up position against the horizontal 2-foot pipe. Now, hold the wall support kit below against the posts and using a torpedo level to make it level. Make marks on the post where the wall support kit will be attached. If the posts were not set quite perfectly, the spare 20-inch piece of pressure-treated 2x4 can be used to offset one side of the post. This may help align the T to the pipe coming out of the wall. Now, put down the pipe parts and screw the wall support kit to the posts with the 8 4-inch screws. Go and attach the T to the existing assemblage of parts with a locking ring. And spin the wall band to face away from the T. Lean 2 stepladders against the yurt, left and right of the posts. Raise the chimney assemblage into position on top of the wall support kit. It is heavy. Be very careful not to let it tip over. Make sure chimney looks parallel with posts. At this point, plumb is less important than looks. On the ladder, attach the wall band to the posts. Use 2 4-inch screws on each side. Spin the chimney until the T is pointing at the hole. Tighten the wall band to the pipe. Insert the plug into the bottom of the T. Secure it to the wall support kit with the parts provided. Slide the exterior sheet metal flashing up under the flap several inches. Mark height of center of T on the flashing. Take the flashing down and cut an 8-inch hole centered where you made your mark. Use the 2-foot section of pipe to trace your circle. Drill a 1/2-inch starter hole, then cut the circle with tin snips. Cut carefully, not too big or too small. Slide the flashing back into place under the flap. Slide the 2-foot pipe out of the yurt, male end first, through the flashing, and connect it to the T. Secure it with a locking band. Square the flashing up and screw it into a couple of lattices, feeling around for them, with gasketed screws. Inside, slide the trim plate over the 2-foot section of pipe. Screw it into the lattice in a couple of places. Attach the chimney pipe adapter with a locking band. The crimped end faces into the room. When the time comes to hook up your stove, screw your 6-inch single wall flue pipe to the crimped adapter. Make sure you have a hearth beneath and behind your stove.